Okay, here we go. Add 5 to both sides. 5x's, 3x's, 6x plus 3y. 3 to the 5th is definitely bigger than 3 times 5 because that's 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which is 243. 4x plus 12. 3 to the 2nd is 3 times 3. Multiply both sides by 3 over 2. You get 12 over 2, which is 6. Okie dokie. Minus 3.19 from both sides. So 12.5, 12.5 minus 3.19 is 12.50 minus 3.19, which is 9.31. Subtract 1.5 from both sides. Subtract 15 from both sides. Divide both sides by 3. Multiply both sides by 3 over 4 to get, or divide by 4, then multiply by 3. 3 to the 3rd is 3 times 3 times 3, which is 9 times 3 is 27. If your pay is less than 100 and you can't pay all your bills, so pay is less than 100. Your pay, if you make less than $100, you can't pay your bills. Translated, the total of your cats and dogs must be less than your number of mice. C plus D is less than M. I have at least 4 pets. P is greater than or equal to 4. I have more than $150. M greater than or equal to, I have more than. M is greater than 150. 2 is less than my money. In other words, I have more than $2. X is less than or equal to negative 2. We put a dot because of the equals at negative 2 and make the arrow go to the left, just like here. You have some apples. Keep 12 apples for yourself and divide the rest 45 ways. X, let's see. You have 12 apples. You have some apples. A for apples. Keep 12 for yourself and divide the rest 45 ways. A minus 12, all divided by 45. That's an interesting one. We'll put that to the side. Split the apples among 435 people. A divided by 435. Double the difference of our number of pets. 2 times x minus 1, the quantity x minus y. Triple the sum of our ages. 3 times the quantity A plus B. $20 an hour plus $50 commission is my pay. Pay equals 20H plus 50. Double my age plus 7.2. 2A plus 7.2. Double the number of eggs. 2E. 5 pounds more than a toaster. T plus 5. 3 years younger than Jill. Jill minus 3. J minus 3. 3 less than 12 is 12 minus 3, which is 9. Your age has to be greater than or equal to 4 to start kindergarten in Georgia. You have to be at least 4 years old to start kindergarten in Georgia. You have to be at least 65 years old to get government Medicare. You have to be under 3 years old to get a safe toy at McDonald's. Or if you are less than or equal to 3, kids 3 and under get a safe toy. If you are under 12, you can get a kids meal. You have to be at least 16 years old to drive. X is less than or equal to 2. Put a dot at 2 and go all the way to the left. All the numbers less than or equal to 2. Open circle at 3, arrow to the right, all the numbers greater than 3 but not 3. X to the 7th over x to the 3rd. There's 7 on top, 3 on the bottom. Cross out 3, and you'll have x to the 4th left over. Subtract the exponents is what ends up happening. 4 bananas over 2 is 2 bananas. Distribute the 3, 6a plus 15b. 5a minus 2a's is 3a's. 7a, 4 times 13 is 52, or 40 plus 12 is 52. 1x, or just x. Ha! If we're just going for whole numbers, it's a very interesting question. 2 to the 10th is 1024. So your x has to be less than or equal to about less than 10, but we're not sure. And this is a different kind of problem. We'll save that for another time. I hope you did well. Cheers. Pass it on.